It doesn't get more Christmassy than this shot, baby. Except when I spread my legs like my name is Diamond. Okay. I just ruined the Christmas spirit, didn't I, Charlie? I think I did. What's up, everybody? Today's video is, I love doing these. Wow, you know what I realized? I say that exact intro almost every video. What's up, guys? I love doing these types of videos. Anyways, you just vomit? What the hell was that? No. Oh, bruh. No, no. Come on, get down, come on. Come on, get down. Go, 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 go. Don't vomit, man. Or vomit, but make sure it's on the hardwood. I'm watching you. I don't know why Charlie insists on vomiting every time I film a video. Let's hope you guys don't feel the same way. I've made my house more Christmas themed. I got my tree up right here. Got a fake tree. I really don't have to do anything to it. For some people, that is like the whole Christmas spirit thing, is decorating it. I never thought I was bad at giving gifts, guys. I swear to God. I thought I was a good gift giver. Until I realized that maybe I'm not. Logic, right? I would buy what I would think is a thought-provoking gift, but then it's received by like, oh great, Goodwill's gonna love this. And I'm just like, I just spent so much money and you're just gonna give it away? This video, it might be a part of the reason why I'm so bad at giving gifts, you know? I like to go for unique ones that people will remember. Now, if you're like me and you're stressed about the Christmas season, I got you. Today's video is 11 weird Christmas gift ideas that you can actually buy. The items you're gonna see here actually exist, and you could actually buy them if you have the money. No need to stress. I got you. And if you guys enjoyed this video and you want more, give it a thumbs up or comment down below and I can find you guys anything. Okay, let's start. Okay, item number 1, the smart curtain robot. Don't tell me this isn't cool. Last year for Christmas, my mom was like,
Dan, me and your father want to get you something that you're gonna use, something that you need.
I'm like, Mom, stop yelling. So I asked for curtains because I've got a lot of windows in my house. I want to block out some of the light. The smart curtain robot, okay? You basically hook it onto your curtain rod and you could open and close your curtains via a robot. This is only $100, guys. It says it can be installed in 30 seconds. This is an amazing gift idea. It is weird, like it would be weird if someone opened this and like, what is that? It's an automated curtain robot. All right, next item. Oh yeah, this one, I forgot this made the list. The spherical food converter, okay? We know what caviar is, right? Like it's fish eggs, expensive. They're like these little balls. I think they're black. The fake ones are orange. The orange ones at sushi restaurants is not caviar. I've heard that's fake. I don't wanna be the bearer of bad news, but that's what I've heard. So you have this thing that looks like a thermos, something that holds your coffee in. You put in your liquid, it does its little magic, and then it spits out these little balls of that liquid. It says you could turn almost anything into tiny edible caviar-shaped pearls. A lot of these will be novelty gifts where it's really cool for a week, and then it's like, all right, next item. The Snow Feet mini skis. Okay, now if it was me, I would have marketed this as invisible skis. Genius, right? They're kind of just shoes with the grip removed and with a plastic sole. It's not that crazy of an invention, but in this photo, the guy makes it look so easy. And you kind of look like a superhero because you're kind of like skating down the hill. This, you could fall on your ass so easy, but they make it look fun. All right, next item. Oh, this one. Okay, this is very spy gadgety. You have to be careful with this. This is called the Red Key. The Red Key USB. So it literally looks like a red key. It's like the top half of a USB. You put it in and it'll completely erase and wipe the entire computer. All its data, all its history, all its cookies, its encrypted data, it'll just destroy it all. It won't destroy the computer, it'll just reset everything as if there was nothing ever on it. Now there is a reason for this. If you are selling your computer, if you are destroying it, or you're giving it away, or you're donating it, you wanna make sure none of your information is going out to these places. So the Red Key USB will help you with that. So this one's only $59. It wipes all data securely and permanently. Pretty straightforward, to be honest. Next item. Oh my God. Okay, if there's one thing in this video that'll get me unmonetized, it is this item. Okay, this is the white Belgian chocolate edible anus. I can't believe this is real, and I apologize if I've done this before. These look familiar. It takes eating ass to a whole new level. I am the one, the way your son. It says, get kinky come snack time by sinking your teeth into a delicious white Belgian chocolate edible anus. It'll flood your senses and mouth with its unmatched taste and rich creaminess. May contain traces of nuts. You know what I'm saying? But there might be some nuts in there, you know what I'm saying? I am the one. Guys, don't worry, that was the most risque item on this list, okay? If one of my brothers got me this gift, I'd be like, what the hell is this? But thank you. Next item. Oh, this one. Oh my, I'm so good at making lists, man. Now, this one is a bit expensive. In fact, this is probably out of all of our price range. It goes for $750. British pounds. Yeah, pounds. It is called Horse Sand Fort, the Solent, Hampshire. You can rework the name so it flows better, but basically it's your own island. This used to be a British military base in the middle of, is it the ocean? What is it? Between South Sea and the Isle of Wight. It's huge. It's 99,000 square feet. You would essentially be buying an old military base. Here's some photos. It's circular. You can do whatever you want with it. It's a freehold. If you want to go and see this, only 2 people are allowed at a time because of safety reasons. You have to be over the age of 14. Like, I don't think it's sold. The auction date was a few weeks ago, November 1st. I don't think it's sold. Partially because it's in the middle of the water. Like, you'd have to take a boat to get there every time. You'd have a ton of space. I don't know if there's electricity. 4 stories high. One of them is completely full of cannons. This sounds like the imagination of a 12-year-old. If I had the money, if I had like $1 billion, I would buy it. Next item. Now this one's kind of cool. I put it in. I don't know much about cars, to be honest with you, but this is a mini V-twin steam engine. All you need to do is fill the syringe on the top with water and then light the candle underneath. And the steam is actually gonna make the engine like fire off. Nothing's gonna happen. It's just like a visual thing, like a piece of art or something. It's 160 bucks. So if you know someone that's a car guy, this is kind of a cool thing for your office or your house. I think that's pretty much what it is. It's kind of like a desk distraction. You know, like those metal balls that just go like this, like. It's kind of like that. You'd put it on your desk just to look at. Next item. Fully automatic rubber band minigun. This is $144. Its description is unleash a rubbery fury on your target by blasting it to smithereens with its fully automatic rubber band minigun. I feel like I did that as a kid. And I even had like a little rubber band gun, but it was like you loaded it and then fired and loaded it and then fired. This one, oh my God. I want to get all of these. I know I'm saying it's stupid if you bring it to a rubber band fight. Just don't be that guy. Don't be that kid. That's what the rich kid does. It's annoying.
Hey, Jackson's here.
Hey, did somebody ask for a machine?
It's like, relax, Jackson, or you're not gonna come again, okay? You wanna fight with us? You bring a normal one. You don't bring a minigun, because you're gonna wreck us all. This would wreck everyone. Next item. Oh, this one's funny. This is just like I guess sort of a prank gift. It's called the Stub Stoppers. For 17 bucks, or I guess for 18 bucks, you put these little hard hat helmets on your toes and you won't stub your toe. I don't think it's serious. If you're someone that stubs your toe a lot, boom, we have help for you. Each set of Stub Stoppers comes with 2 mini hard hats with an elastic strap to secure them to your big toe. Pretty funny. It's only 18 bucks. The Stub Stoppers, if you guys are interested. Next item. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this one's more geared at any college kid or like a gamer, okay? It could be for anybody, but that's what I'm categorizing it as. They're soy candles that are scented like your favorite soda, okay? They've got Mountain Dew, they've got Coke, they've got even beer. A ton of beer. They have Bud Light, Coors Light, Natural Light, Sprite. They even offer these in beer bottles that they've cut off the top. They're creative, they're cute, and apparently they smell like liquor, beer, or soda. I could confidently say I wouldn't want my house to smell like any of those, but in some people's case, I've been to some houses that smell like ratchet asshole, man. Like, I'm like, you guys need something stat. And I would rather smell soda than whatever this nastiness is. Okay, last but not least, this one was just kind of funny. It made me chuckle. It made me exhale air through my nostrils like this when I was looking at it. This is called the Toss and Talk About Men Stuff Ball. A little bit of a wordy name, but it's an inflatable ball that when you throw it to someone, whatever's facing you, you then have to talk about or ask the question. For an example, military rankings in the US Army. Now this is a very sexist ball. Like, no one's saying women can't answer this, although there are some male specific questions. Things you might see on a football field. Name brands of men's products. Food that is good on the grill. Okay, this is like the best dad, like Father's Day gift. Things a cowboy might wear. It's kind of, you could make this a drinking game. Things a surgeon might use, positions in football, things a coach might say, things that men build. It's only $13. And it's kind of fun. Like, it would get at least a room talking. Those were 11 weird Christmas gifts that you could actually buy. If you guys enjoyed this video and you need more advice, or you need more gift ideas, or you want a different type, maybe not as weird, or maybe really expensive ones, or maybe really cheap ones, let me know. Because it's a holiday season, I love making these types of videos. I'm looking at this stuff anyway, so I'd be more than happy to make more videos. Just give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want more content, because I know I've been a little bit spotty with my uploads, follow me on Instagram at Dan. I upload pretty much every day on my story there. I just did a reenactment with Charlie for the movie Annie. It was pretty funny. It was pretty cute. Guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video coming soon. All right, see you guys later. Bye.